It's going to cover it though, yeah?
Yep. Here we've got the outer ring that goes over the window that will cover that. Just get it roughly and then you can always go back and trim. That's what I kind of figured. Doing good. Yeah, geez, it's come up nice. I like it.
I thought we'd just come out and talk about some of the things that we've done in the van as we're going away next weekend for a long weekend. We've put this insulation in the walls here on both sides of the van. It's the insulation. What is it? It's
closed cell van liner.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, so it does a little bit of sound deadening and
yes,
got the reflectics on it and also a bit of insulation.
Yeah. Not that we could fit much on either side.
Yeah,
yeah.
Because as you can see, our beds probably, and we'll show you, we'll spin it around and we'll show you a bit later, that we wanted full length, didn't we, in the mattress this way.
Yeah.
Which gave us a lot more seating area and just a little bit more cabin to thing. We used 4-way stretch carpet again, same as the front. Was very easy to put on.
Yeah, it was.
We quite liked the look of it. It feels nice and soft and look.
I think we should show them the box that we whipped up this morning.
Yeah. I'll spin it around and Karen will give you a bit of a thing on the box.
We haven't got hinges for that yet, but that's the lid. Just to put a few things in.
Stove.
Yeah.
And
just a bit of storage, really.
Yeah, it's a good little bit of storage.
Yeah.
Next to our fridge.
We actually whipped it up this morning.
Yeah. There's a fridge there. Do you want? We'll open up the fridge, Karen, and we'll show her the fridge.
There we go.
Yeah. So we bought it in Aldi. So we'll see how it's going. It's not hooked up yet, but we're just going to use it like an esky while we're away.
Yeah.
And then we'll have a look up in the bed.
My son-in-law Jeremy came over and helped us
lift
the mattress in, which was
really good. We wouldn't have got it. I don't think
it was a bit hard.
Yeah, it's actually we'll show. It's actually a sleeping duck, so it's actually quite thick. It's got foam and then springs. Yeah, so it's quite, and then
quite high.
And you can sort of see where we've finished off with the carpet on both sides, which worked out quite right, a good height for the windows. So yeah, anything else you want to add to it, Karen?
Yeah, I hope I don't put my foot through the window. Yeah, so we should be. It'll give us an idea when we go away for the long weekend, just what usable space again, whether we've got enough cupboard space underneath. If not, then we might design some little cupboards up the top. We've still got our sink and water on this side that we've got to put in, but we've just run out of time to build it before we left. Yeah, it's been a bit of a heavy day today. Yeah, Yeah, it's been...
Trying to get things done.
Yeah, for sure. Anyway, we'll see you
Okay.
on the next one. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Bye.